Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine by the grace of God. Children, do you like to listen stories? Yes, we all like to listen stories. Today, I am going to tell you a story about taking the bully by the horns. Taking the bully by the horns. Before we get into the class, let us learn what is bullying. Children, see here, B-U-L-L-I-N-G, bullying. What is bullying? One person behaves rudely and compels the other to do unpleasant thing. It is called bullying. What is bullying? One person behaves rudely and compels the other to do unpleasant thing. It is called bullying. My dear children, now I am going to explain to you what is bullying. Bullying is the behavior of a person. For example, some of them have the habit of insulting others or threatening others or hurting others by harsh words. And some of them compels the others to do unpleasant things. It is a kind of bullying. My dear children, while we are growing up, it is common for all teasing each other. Yes or no? Just for fun, we are teasing each other. With our friends, we do. But purposefully, someone makes fun of another or compels them or force them to do wrong thing, it is called bullying. I will give you few more examples for bullying. Dear children, if a group of children refuse to include a particular child in their group or in their games, it is bullying. Or if you are spreading stories about others, that is bullying too. If you are targeting a particular person, repeatedly hurting them, it is bullying too. So my dear children, don't bully others. Don't bully others by your words or your action. Okay children, let us get into the story.
Meena, Anu and Ajay are in class 7. Anu is the shortest girl in their class. So, Ajay is always making fun of her height. He calls her using nicknames. Anu feels hurt, but she could not do anything about it. Meena feels sorry for Anu, but she cannot raise a voice against Ajay because Ajay is her friend. Ajay knows that Anu is upset, but continues to bully her because it gives him a feeling of control. And also, he enjoys the attention he is getting from others. Children who bully others have a low opinion about themselves. They don't like it or they feel ashamed about themselves. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காம இருக்கும். They know their weakness also. Therefore, they wanted to humiliate others. Humiliate means make others feel ashamed. They know their weakness. Just to hide their weakness, they make others to feel ashamed. They pointing out others' weakness. Now you understand, children, why they are bullying others? In this story also, maybe Ajay is unhappy with his performance in the exams. And Meena doesn't like her big ears, doesn't want anyone to notice them. So they turn their attention to Anu. Dear children, now you understand why they are bullying Anu? Dear children, have you heard the word peer pressure or peer group? Do you know what it is? Peer group means people of equal age, or same status. For example, your classmates and your friends or your peers, your group, they are same age like you. So, your classmates and your friends are your peers. Sometimes we have to agree with them even though we do not like it. This is called peer pressure. You can find yourself disagreeing with something that everyone is doing. So you also doing it without an interest because you don't want to be out of that group. Okay? For example, you may not like ragging. So you ignore it. When your friends involve in ragging, as a person, you too involving in that group. This is due to peer pressure. Now you understand, children, what is peer pressure? Dear children, have you ever bullied anyone? Or has anyone bullied you? Let us learn the feeling of bullied person. Children who are bullied feel dejected. Dejected means feel depressed. Dejected means feel depressed. They lost their confidence, feel lonely and isolated because bullies often focus on their target's appearance, clothes, ability, and their family only. For example, why are you so fat? Your clothes are always so loose. You can't even throw a ball. Why do you spend so much of time with those people? Such comments can affect the bullied person so much. It can even affect on their health and their routine life also. They do not eat regularly, often falls sick and get nightmares during sleep. Nightmare means frightening dream. Nightmare means frightening dream. They stop talking with people around them. Sometimes they display extreme anger suddenly. So, my dear children, these are the feeling of bullied person. Don't bullying others. So, my dear children, if you are being bullied or if you know someone who is getting bullied, the best way to stop it is to inform a responsible adult. This can be a parent, a teacher, or anyone who is in a position to do something about the problem. Okay? And you can talk to your friends about not supporting a bully. You can also show your support for the targeted person in a small ways. What are the ways? Include them in your games. Share things with them. Speak to them. Make them feel included. Okay, children? The best way to stop bullying is empathy. Empathy means experiencing the feeling of a person in a situation, not as an onlooker, but as someone who is also experiencing the situation. The more we feel for others, the less we try to bully others. Okay, children? Dear children, many of them hesitate to speak about bullying because of a sense of loyalty. Loyalty means strong support or being loyal. They think that complaining about others will land them in trouble. Who are bullying get them into trouble. For example, Meena can tell to their teacher about Ajay's behavior. Yes or no? Yes. She can tell to their teacher about the Ajay's behavior. What is Ajay's behavior? Ajay always making fun of Hanu. Hanu feels hurt. It is wrong, children. You should not be like that. Okay? If you are being bullied or if your friends are getting bullied, you have to inform your responsible adult. Already I told you, this can be a parent or a teacher or anyone who is in a position to do something about the problem. Okay, children? We should not support bullying. It is not healthy growing up being a bully. They also needs help because one who bully others have a low opinion about themselves. அவங்கள பற்றி அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு தாழ்வு மனப்பான்மை இருக்கும். அதை மறைக்கிறதுக்காக தான் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, மற்றவங்கள டீஸ் பண்ணுறது, ஹர்ட் பண்ணுறது, அந்த மாதிரியான செயலில் ஈடுபடுறாங்க. ஸோ போத் ஆஃப் தெம் நீட் help. One who bullying others and one who bullied. Both of them need the help. Okay, children? So we have to help both of them. Dear children, many schools and colleges and even workplaces have strict rules to prevent bullying. But still it can happen. So, whenever you see bullying around you, you should report the matter immediately to the responsible person. If you do so, you will contribute to a safer and more peaceful world. Okay, children? My dear children, it is important to know that our actions always have consequences. Consequences means result or effect. In Tamil we say விளைவுகள். நன்மை நினைத்தால் நன்மை நடக்கும், தீமை நினைத்தால் தீமைதான் நடக்கும். So my dear children, do good to others. Let us learn the meaning for the hard words. Bullying, teasing others. Bullying means teasing others. One person behaves rudely or compels the others to do unpleasant things. That is called bullying. Humiliate, make others feel ashamed. அது மற்றவங்களை அவமானப்படுத்துறது. Consequences, result or effect. Consequences, விளைவுகள். Peer pressure, influence from members of the same group. Peers means same aged people or same opinion people. Peer pressure means அவங்களுடைய ஆசைக்காக அவங்க எல்லாரும் செய்கிறாங்களே அப்படின்றதுக்காக நம்மளும் அவங்க கூட சேர்ந்து செய்யறது. பியர் ப்ரெஷர், அந்த குரூப்பை விட்டு நம்ம வெளியில் வந்துடக்கூடாது, அவங்களோட நம்மளும் மிங்கிளாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக அவங்க செய்கிறாங்கன்னு நம்ம செய்யறது. டிஜெக்டட், சேட் அண்ட் டிப்ரெஸ்ட், ரொம்ப டிப்ரெஸ்ட் ஆகுறது. நைட் மேர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஃப்ரைட்டனிங் ட்ரீம். நைட்டில் கனவு வரும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி பயமுறுத்துகிற ட்ரீமிங்காக வரும். எம்பதி, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் அண்ட் ஷேர் அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ். ஓகேங்களா, அப்படியே அவங்க சொல்கிறத ஃபீலிங்ஸை மட்டும் நம்ம கேட்டுடாமல் அந்த இடத்துல நம்ம இருந்தால் எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் எம்பதி. லாயல்ட்டி மீன்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ராங் சப்போர்ட் ஆர் பீயிங் லாயல். Loyalty means strong support. Okay, children, now you understand the meanings. I hope you understand the lesson very well. Thank you, children.